Hi girls, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time seeing my face, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I know you're going to love it on this channel. Today's tutorial is for an African inspired hairstyle featuring Darling's natural twist. The soft kinky texture of this hair extension is perfect for the style we want to achieve. You'll also be needing a comb, beads, or any other hair accessories you have around. You need gel, a brush, and crochet hook. You can see every item we'll be using for this style here. Now let's get right into creating this hairstyle. Start by separating your hair into the front section and the back section. You can use rubber bands or braids to make this demarcation. I typically prefer to use braids because it keeps my hair stretched out before I get to what I actually want to do. So now I'm braiding down the front of my hair where I'm going to be using the gel. Then I'm going to go back to the back and start braiding it into cornrows. It doesn't matter how neat these braids look because this is definitely not the main thing. At the back of your hair, you should braid about 6 or 7 cornrows and then attach them all together.
Just wanna have some fun, yeah. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun, yeah. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun.
Cornrows are done. Let's focus on gelling down the front of the hair. My hair is not long, so it doesn't take a lot of product, but at the same time it needs a lot of effort because it's not long enough to be slicked down. It's not that if you do not want to use gel and you want to wear this hair for longer, you can definitely braid down the front of this hair. I could do this in another tutorial to show you guys. I also apply the styling dreads molding hair wax because it has the stronger hold, and I typically use it for sectioning my parts, but today I'm using it to slick down my hair. When I've slicked it down to an extent, I attach it to one of the braids at the back. So I take the braid out and then I attach the end of the slick down parts to the braid. This is because more than anything, we're trying to prevent having stray hair or flyaways. And you know that when your hair is not long enough and you try to use gel to just slick it down, it tends to come out after a little time has passed. So we are seriously trying to avoid that by doing the braid down and securing it there. Now is a good time to do your edges, or you can do it later on. I choose to do my edges right now before I go over it with a scarf. This scarf is to secure my hair to make sure it gets properly sleek. So I'm going to keep it on for a bit before I take it out and continue the rest of this hair. Natural twist hair extension is the style of this show. Obviously I'm using it because it is soft and lightweight. For this particular hairstyle, it's important that it is very lightweight. You can get this hair extension from their Diva shop or from any retail outlet near you. The hairs come in a bundle of 10 and I'm going to be using 1.5 pack, which is 15 in all. Right now what I'm doing is detangling and separating the hair. Due to the kinky texture, the hairs can come a bit tangled up, so you basically just separate them. I also use this chance to arrange them according to the way I want to install it into my hair, just so that it's not stressful. If you prefer, you can keep your scarf in overnight, but I kept mine in for a couple of minutes because I wasn't done with the hairstyle and I was going to tie it down again. Now we get into the part where you start to crochet the hair extension into your hair. There's no magic for this. All you have to do is pass your hook through, then clip it onto the hair extension and pull. Now before you pull, you can loop one end of the hair extension through the hole, thereby creating a knot so that it can be more secure. So I do this for some parts where I feel like it's not secure enough, and then for others I don't bother tying it or knotting it. I'm going to continue doing this throughout my hair until I've gotten the volume I need, which, like I said, is 15 pieces of the kinky hair extension in the way they come in the Darling packs. If I haven't emphasized this before, these extensions are soft and they're easy to manipulate. In fact, you can use this for any other hairstyle you want to do. Even when you're done, you can easily take them out and reuse them without any hassle. It's also totally up to you, so if you wish, you can add a lot more than 15 if you want it to be more voluminous. If you want like a bigger, fuller hair, you can definitely add more than 15. You can use up 2 packs. If not, you can keep it 1.5 pack and your hair is going to come out looking beautiful, I assure you. The hair extension through, and I totally love how this hairstyle is coming together. Right now we are going to put in the hair accessories. We are putting these accessories through 2 strands at the front of the hair. I've brought out this one and I'm sort of just arranging it so that I can get that end where the bead can pass through. I also make use of a scissors since I don't have that pin for passing beads, so you can definitely DIY this. Use a scissors, use any pointy object to push the kinky through, and then you pull it out from under once it starts poking out. I'm going to repeat this process for both strands, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like. Tell me you don't see how beautiful this hair already is. This hair is perfect as it is for whatever occasion you have. You're going to stand out, you're going to be gorgeous, and everybody's going to be complimenting you. Feel free to definitely go overboard with the accessories, like do what you want with other parts of your hair. You can put in beads, you can put in clips and all of that stuff. do whatever suits you. Here's the final look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I hope you recreate it and look fabulous. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video to someone. Till next time, bye guys.